Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to uninstall applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, and here select the AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro from the list of my devices. Now find the option called App Store, and once you find it, tap on it, and here tap on Mine to open the list of applications installed on your watch. And here we have it. As you can see on this list, we have a couple of applications, and if you want to remove the app, tap on More right here, then tap on Delete right here, select the app you want to remove, then tap on Delete and tap on OK, and the app will be removed from your watch. And once you're done, of course, you can close the ZEP application on your phone. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.